Hello everyone, welcome again to GIS Pathshala. So friends, in last video we finished exercise 7.3. So today we are going to start the next topic, that is the inequality in the triangles. So here one activity is given. It says that, so if we increase the angle, if we increase the side, अगर इसको लंबा करते जाएंगे तो ये एंगल भी लंबा होगा. ओके. Theorem 7.6. If two sides of the triangle are unequal, then the angles opposite to the longer side is the larger. अगर कोई भी दो साइड है वो अनइक्वल है, तो उसके सामने वाले एंगल से उसमें से जो लंबी साइड है उसके सामने जो एंगल आता है वो ऑलवेज लार्जर होगा. सो एज ए एग्जांपल, if from these three, which is the longest side, we can say this one AC is the longest side. So we can say that opposite angle to AC का opposite angle B है, so B is the longest angle from this triangle. Okay. Now the theorem 7.7, in any triangle the side opposite to the larger angle is longer. अगर कोई भी एंगल बहुत तीन एंगल होते हैं, फ्रॉम दिस थ्री एंगल, इफ एनी वन ऑफ द एंगल इज लार्जेस्ट, सो ऑपोजिट साइड इज ऑल्सो द लार्जेस्ट. Theorem number 7.8. The sum of any two sides of the triangle is greater than the third side. मीन्स कोई भी दो साइड का सम करो तो उसका आंसर ऑलवेज थर्ड साइड से बड़ा ही आएगा. ओके, बहुत ही ईजी है. अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, the sum of any two sides of the triangle is greater than the third side. If we do the addition of BA plus AC, so it is greater than the BC. So ये BC से बड़ा आएगा. Okay, if we do the addition of DC and BC, so answer will be the greater than the DB. Okay, so example number 9 आपको अपने आप सॉल्व कर देना है, बहुत ईजी है. So let we are going to start our exercise number 7.4. So in exercise 7.4, first question, show that in the right angle triangle the hypotenuse is the longest side. हमें इसमें प्रूव करना है the hypotenuse is the longest side. So first of all, in the rough notebook we have to draw the right angle triangle. Okay, so in our fair book we have to draw, here I draw the right angle triangle ABC. B is the 90 degree. So A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree, that we know. All addition of all angles is equal to 180 degree. Now angle B is equal to 90 degree. So 90 over here, so now 90 is transferred to right hand side, so it become minus 90. Now angle A plus angle C is equal to 90 degree. So this one is already 90 degree. So we know that addition of all is equal to 180. So ये 90 है तो ये 90 से कम ही होंगे दोनों, right? So we can say that angle B is greater than angle A. Angle B is also greater than angle C. So angle B, तीनों एंगल्स में से एंगल B सबसे बड़ा है, so opposite side is also greater. So angle B is the greatest angle, so opposite side AC is also a longest side. Okay, it is proved. ये हमें यहाँ पे prove हो गया. Now question number 2. Question number 2, in the figure 7.48, side AB and AC of triangle ABC are extend to point P and Q. इसको लंबी करनी है P and Q तक respectively. Also PBC is less than QCB. PBC means this angle is smaller than QCB. इससे छोटा है. This is smaller than this. It is given in the question. Yeah. So we have to show that AC is greater than AB. Okay, this angle is bigger. So we have to prove that. ये angle बड़ा दिया है. This one is smaller, this one is longer. So we have to prove that AC है वो बड़ी है. Okay. So let me start. So first of all we have to draw the figure in the notebook. Question number 2, I just give the name 1 2 3 4. Okay, angle number 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. So in question it is given that angle 4 is greater than angle 2. Angle 4 is greater than angle 2, means this angle is bigger and this angle is smaller. That is given in the question. Okay, now angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. If we do the addition of these two is equal to 180, we know that these both are linear pair and these both are also linear pair. Okay, so angle 1 is greater than angle 3. So angle 1 is greater than angle 3. Why? Because see here given that angle 4 is the greater. If this one is bigger, so this one should be small. ये स्मॉल होगा, ये बड़ा है तो ये छोटा होगा, क्योंकि 180 में से बड़ा जाएगा तो छोटा आएगा. एंड इफ दिस वन इज स्मॉल, so this one is bigger. Okay, so we can say that angle 1 is greater than angle 3. So AC, if this angle is bigger, this angle is larger, so opposite side means AC is also larger, so AC is greater than the AB. Side opposite to the greater angle is longer. So here question number 2 is finished. Now let me move towards the question number 3. So in question number 3, in figure 7.49, in this figure, angle B is smaller than angle A. So B is smaller. This angle is smaller than this A. C is smaller than D. This is smaller than C D. Here B and D both are smaller. Okay, these two are smaller and these two are bigger angle. So we have to show that AD less than BC. We have to show that AD less than BC means AD is the smaller than BC. We have to prove that AD is the smaller than BC. So first of all, here I draw the figure. Here B is less than A. It is given in the question. Angle B is smaller than angle A. So opposite sides, B की opposite side कौन सी है? B की opposite side है OA is equal to OB. These two sides are same. How it is same? Not same, but OA is less than OB. क्योंकि B छोटा है तो B के सामने वाली साइड छोटी होगी, तो OB A is larger, so opposite side of A, yes, opposite side is OB, so OB is larger, so OA is less than OB. Now in triangle COD, in this triangle, okay, which one is smaller? So C is smaller, this one is smaller, so this side is also smaller, so OC is larger, and OD smaller, OD less than OC. Now here we give the equation 1 and 2. Now do the addition of these two equations. OA plus OD is equal to OB and OC. Now OA plus OD is equal to AD and OB plus OC is equal to BC. So P is proved. हमें जो प्रूव करना है वो आंसर यहाँ पे हमारा आ गया कि AD less than BC. Now let me move towards the question number 4. In the question number 4, it is given that B and the CD are respectively smallest and longest side of the quadrilateral. B is the smallest and AB, sorry, not only B, AB is the smallest. Here A is given. AB is the smallest side and CD is the longest side of the quadrilateral ABCD. So we have to show that angle A greater than angle C. Angle A बड़ा होगा किससे? C से. Means this one is larger than this angle. And again we have to see that B is larger than D. So this one is larger than the D. So let me see how to prove that. So first of all, draw the two diagonals and give the names to the angles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now in triangle ABC, AB is the smallest side. In triangle ABC, so in the AB is the smallest side. Yeah. So 4 is less than angle 2. So for angle 4, this angle is less than angle 2 क्योंकि ये smallest side है तो ये भी सबसे छोटा होगा. Longest side is, sorry, we have to compare these two only. So 4 is less than 2. Equation number 1. In triangle ADC, in this triangle, DC is the longest. Yeah, this one is the longest. So 3 and 1, comparison between 3 and 1. ये longest है, इसके सामने वाला angle 1. So 1 is larger than 3. Angle 3 less than angle 1. So these two. If we add the equation 1 and 2, so 4 plus 3 less than 1 plus 2. So 4 plus 3 is equal to C. 1 plus 2 is equal to A. So angle C is equal less than angle A. So same thing we have to apply for the another two triangle, that is ABD for this and BDC. Okay, same things, and then add these two equations. So we will get angle D less than angle B. Now next question number 5 in 7.51. In this figure, PR is greater than PQ. PR, this side is greater than PQ. PS bisect QPR. ये bisect कर दिया, means these two are all same. So prove that PSR is greater than PSQ. PSR, this angle is greater than PSQ. This angle is greater than this. This is greater. Okay, that we have to prove. Okay, so let me see in the text notebook. So first of all, I just give the angles names 1 and 2. 1 and 2 are equal, okay, because it is a bisector. Okay, and PQR is greater than PRQ, that is given in the question. Now addition of these two questions, so we will get PQR plus 1 is equal to PRQ plus angle 2. ओके, दोनों के बीच में ग्रेटर देन है, ये दोनों तो इक्वल है, सो ये दोनों का सेम रहेगा, बट दिस PQR इज इक्वल, सो ग्रेटर साइन विल बी देयर, बट PQS प्लस 1 प्लस PSQ, PQS प्लस 1 प्लस PSQ एंड ये तीनों एंगल का सम, इफ़ यू डू द एडिशन ऑफ ऑल दिस थ्री एंड इफ यू डू द एडिशन ऑफ ऑल दिस, सो विल गेट 180 डिग्री. नाउ PQR plus 1 plus PSQ is equal to PRQ plus 2 plus PRQ. It is equation number 4. PQR. Okay, equation number 4. Now, PRQ and PRS and PRQ same है. PRS and PRQ both are same. PRS and PRQ दोनों same ही एंगल. PRS बोलो आप PRQ बोलो. So PQS is equal to PQR. नाउ फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 3 and 4, ये दोनों इक्वेशन के ऊपर से हमें पता चल गया, क्या पता चला कि PSQ लेस देन PSR, PSQ लेस देन PSR और PSR इज़ ग्रेटर देन PSQ, हमें इस दोनों इक्वेशन के ऊपर से पता चल गया. बहुत ही ईजी है फ्रेंड्स, ओनली थोड़ा सा लॉजिक लगाना है, आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 इज़ गिवन कि प्रूव करो दैट द PM इज़ स्मॉलर देन PN. यानी हमने यहाँ पे नाम दिया है कि हमें यह प्रूव करना है कि जो परपेंडिकुलर लाइन सेगमेंट होता है वो स्मॉलेस्ट होता है, इसलिए ये सबसे छोटा, ये हमें प्रूव करना है. सो वी नो दैट दिस वन इज़ राइट एंगल, दिस वन इज़ 90 डिग्री. सो दिस टू आर ऑलरेडी एक्यूट एंगल, सो N इज़ अ एक्यूट एंगल. सो M इज़ ग्रेटर देन N, M है वो N से बड़ा है, यस. सो इसकी अपोजिट साइड भी बड़ी होगी, सो PN इज़ ग्रेटर देन PM. सो वी नो दैट दिस वन इज़ द ग्रेटेस्ट, PM सबसे छोटी होगी. ओके, बहुत ही ईजी है. सो हियर फ्रेंड्स वी फिनिश्ड आवर एक्सरसाइज. कंप्लीट दिस एक्सरसाइज इन योर नोटबुक, फिनिश इट. थैंक यू एवरीवन, हैव अ नाइस डे.